Hey guys, I'm Sebastian, host of Ninth Island Connection, your weekly resource for all things Vegas. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. All we do is bring you Vegas. You're watching this because you're looking for information about Vegas and Planet Hollywood. We've got a whole playlist on Planet Hollywood that I'm going to drop in the description. And while you're in the description, see how you can watch our television show wherever you are. All right, let's get to it. We're going to bring you a room tour of a One King non-smoking at Planet Hollywood. This is a standard room. This is not an upgrade. This is room 3815. Right here, we're in the entry. We're gonna check out the bathroom first. Let's go. What are you guys waiting for? We're going to the bathroom. Look, check this guy out right here. How cool is that? Deuces. So this is like for a standard bathroom. I love Planet Hollywood because they're big, they're spacious. Look at all this counter space that you have here, and our favorite, and we do use it. So don't come at us about your feelings on bathtubs in hotel rooms. This is perfect for two people. We use it all the time. Come check it out. One of the nice things about the bathrooms here is that they have a separate, fairly large stand-up shower, and they have shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. So if you don't want to pack it, don't. Just leave it at home. They also provide lotion and bars of soap. And if you run out of anything, just ask them in the hallway. They're happy to give you more. There's plenty of room on this counter with additional space below that you can see right there where the hairdryer is. We were here for 3 nights. We had all our stuff, and we had plenty of room on the counter for both of us. It's the little things that you've got to appreciate. I really like that there's a door separating the toilet from the rest of the bathroom. Let's check out the rest of the room. And again, this is a standard One King room, not an upgrade, and you can see that it is actually pretty spacious. And as you'll see here, you've got a nightstand on either side, and everybody gets their own lamp, which is pretty nice. One thing that I think you'll all appreciate, this lamp right here has charging ports in it. It has a plug in there, and you've got a Wi-Fi charger with more charging right next to it. And as you can see here, this side, not as exciting as the other side. You don't have all the plugs and all that stuff, but you do have a pretty nice little clock radio there. Now, you're also going to have a pretty large closet. You have a full-length mirror here. You can see right there, plenty of hangers. Your iron, your safe is in here, as well as a little drawer beneath the safe. Another nice bonus that comes with Planet Hollywood is a refrigerator. Like I said, this is a standard room. This is not an upgrade. This is always a nice bonus because you have the ABC store downstairs with great deals for water, for beers, anything, your snacks and all that stuff, and you can keep it right in your fridge. One thing that I think is kind of weird with this particular room, I'm not hating, but it's just weird. There are no drawers to put your stuff in. You just have these big cubbies like this. So you've got one on this side, and then you've got another one on the other side of the fridge right there. It's the same exact thing. So between this and the closet, like I said, there are no drawers. So you might have to stack your stuff up here on the counter or on the shelf in the closet. We have stayed in rooms where in this area over here, there was a couch, and this table and chairs was over by the side of the bed. Not this room though, we just had the table and 2 chairs, but you know what? It was still nice to have a cup of coffee in the morning and enjoy the view. Let's talk about the view. Don't mind the dirty window. We have been getting a lot of rain and wind in Vegas, and we're getting some more today too when we were making this video. We did have a pretty nice view though. Right across there you can see the pool at Cosmopolitan, and we had the entire south side of the strip. There's Aria, Vidara, all those guys down the street. So in the evenings, it was actually really nice to see the Vegas lights. And if you really focus, you would have seen Jason Aldean's new spot down there on the corner that opened several months ago. Here's a closer look at the pool at Cosmopolitan. Not very busy, but there was still some people there. And we can see a little bit of the pool from our room, and as you can see, there weren't very many people here. Don't forget to check out our merchandise shop right here. We've got your t-shirts, your hats, coffee mugs, everything Ninth Island Connection. All right, guys, it's checkout time, but we had a great time, no regrets, and we're gonna be back next week somewhere else on the strip. So wrap up this room right here. We were close to the elevator, but we never heard it. However, we are right on the strip, as you can see right here. And we did hear that. We heard sirens, we heard ambulance, fire trucks, all kinds of stuff going on up and down the strip. But it didn't wake us up overnight. And this is still a great room. We had a great time. We will be back. Ninth Island Connection highlights Las Vegas businesses, entertainment, events, and activities on and off the strip, keeping our viewers connected with the Ninth Island of Las Vegas. From local mom and pop restaurants to those owned and operated by top chefs. From kitchen action to the inspiration behind the dishes, we deliver the culinary creations of Vegas. From Las Vegas entertainers and athletes to all of the exciting activities and experiences around the Vegas Valley, we keep our viewers connected with all of the excitement that the entertainment capital of the world has to offer. Of course, we can't forget about the casinos that make Vegas, Vegas, with exclusive tours of the incredible amenities and beautiful accommodations, getting right in the heart of the casino floor action and entertainment, as well as interviews with casino owners, CEOs, GMs, and executive chefs. We bring the Las Vegas Casino into our viewers' homes. Highlighting lesser-known areas like the Fremont East District, the Arts District, and Brewery Row, we bring attention to these small businesses that have become fast favorites in the local community. We bring our viewers a complete Vegas experience. We also invite our viewers along as we venture into the great outdoors of the Las Vegas Valley, sharing short road trips, hikes, and the unique sights found in the Mojave Desert. Great people, great stories, great connections, only on Ninth Island Connection.